how to change the oil in a Gorlitz Go4000 hydrojetter with the Honda GX 690. This is exactly what Drain Addict uses. Maybe not anymore. Actually, I think he does. So I just started, and I remembered that I wanted to do a video on this. So you got 3 oils here, and right now we're starting with the pump oil. So this is the pump right here, and this is the drain plug, and it was just sitting right here. It was just sitting screwed in right there. There's a little rubber washer comes with it. So I took my ramps and I put the jetter on top of them so I could get the to catch the oil right there. Just make sure you put the stopper thingy on. So I just cracked this loose with an adjustable wrench. It really wasn't that big of a deal. It wasn't that hard to get off. Okay, so what you want to do, see that little, see this? See a little red dot on it? You want to fill the oil up to that red dot, up to the middle of it. So that's the first thing that you do. And when you're doing this also, so it's drained out, but I gotta now kind of lift this up and tilt it that way to get the rest of the oil out. I just put a rag underneath this because it was gonna get on some hoses and stuff that are in there. Okay, so once all the oil is out, you want to do 5W30 synthetic, and you fill it right here. Where 5W30. Right here. This is for the pump oil. 5W30 full synthetic. Okay, so we're just going to the red dot there. I'm gonna put this down, but funnel, you get it, right? Just fill it slowly and make sure it lines up with the dot. There you go. Now, where did I put the friggin' cap? There it is. Put your cap back on. Just like that. Okay, so the second thing you want to do, this is your gearbox. Same kind of thing. Fill it to the halfway point. You're going to fill it here, and you drain it from this guy right here. That's going to get a little messy, so I just put rags down and then let the oil kind of drip down the rag. Something like that. And then for this, for the gear box, you're using 80/90. If there's anything you can learn from this, take this away. When you fill this up, when you're filling this up, do it very slowly. and I mean ridiculously slow. This is not like changing car oil, okay? It's not like that. You want to pour just a little bit, and it may take 5 minutes. See, and you gotta wait. You gotta wait a little bit. You gotta wait just a little bit, pour a little bit more, because it is so easy to overfill this. Because I poured too much in, and I had to drain it, and this one's a real pain in the butt. So do it super slow and just wait a little bit more. Wait a little bit more. Wait. I'm telling you, listen to me, because you don't want to be draining this twice. It is a pain in the butt. Okay, lastly is this. You're going to drain it right here. And then your oil filter is right here. You can also drain it from that. I might just do it on this side. I might do it both on this side just because they'll both leak oil. And then the oil you want for that is 10W30. And this is, I think, regular. And I was told that you want regular for this. Honestly, it probably doesn't matter. In all honesty. So pop that off and take off the oil filter. Don't forget to put a little oil on this. Okay. So you fill it right there. You fill it right there. The dipstick's right there too. So you fill it right there, the dipstick. You want the oil to go up to the second line. You want it to go up to the second line. Fill it up to the second line, you dipstick. Don't forget, dipstick. That's where you fill it. And then the last thing you want to do is the fuel filter. Whoops. It's this little guy right here. So all you do is, you do not mess with this one. You take some needle nose or whatever, you pop that, and then this pulls down, and then you can just pull that off. It's dirty. Dang. Yeah. Probably should have done this a little sooner, but it's a pain. I got to do my truck, my work van, and then my motorcycle. I don't do that because it's a BMW, and you have to have these. I used to do it, but you have to have all these stupid German special tools, and I don't even ride it that much anyway, so I do it once every 2 years. But all right, lastly, you got to get 2 of these. It's almost 2 quarts on this. It's almost, not quite. So put in 1 and then